We got 21 surprise eggs here for you. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, you guys, let's get started. We got Gus here. Anybody know where Gus is from? That's right, Ryan. Okay, let's open up Gus and see what we got inside. Ooh. We have the little guy from the Cars movie. He's the repairman. He goes, zoop, 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 and he changes the tires for cars. Pretty cool, squishy dude. It's a little suction cup to stand up. Okay, we'll put him back there. And then we have another car surprise toy. Look at that. All right, let's open it up and see who's inside. Oh, it's my favorite, Mater. Oh, look at that, so adorable. Look at Mater. He's very squishy. And then we have a mini Mater. Look at that. All right, so we got 2 Maters here. 2 Maters, and one's squishy, and one's just a little bit harder. See the Mater's tires. And okay, let's put Mater back right there. And let's move on to the next toy. Okay, next we got Lightning McQueen. All right, let's see what's inside Lightning McQueen. We got Gus. All right, let's put Gus right there. And let's open up the next one. We got Paw Patrol here. Let's open up Paw Patrol. Aww. So squishy. So, Paw Patrol, we have Chase, and then we have Marshall. Okay, Marshall, so squishy. Very, very adorable with his little red fireman shoes. And then we have Chase here with his police hat. Ready to go stop. Let's open up Minion. It says, Illumination Present, Minion, The Rise of Gru. Pose a PAW, build, play, and erase. All right, let's see what we got inside. Ooh! Wow! Looks like we gotta put some Minions together. Okay, we got Kevin here. We got his glasses with his overalls, his glove, his boots, and his little spiky hair. And the top, he's looking cute as ever. All right, so we got Stuart here, the minion with one eye. Look at Stewie. He's kind of hard like an eraser. Okay, there you go. There you go, minions. Banana, banana, yes, banana. Okay. I'll put them right there, and we'll move on to the next. All right. We got Coco Melon. 2 mystery surprises inside. Let's see what we got here. Look at that, so adorable. They got little Cocomelon, and they've got a little ladybug on top of his head. Let's crack this baby open. Aww. Okay, let's see what we got inside. Who do we got here? We got Firefighter Nico. That's 2 firefighters we got on our squad. Let's open them up. There he is, Firefighter Nico from Cocomelon. Look at his jacket. So adorable. Yes, Alright, and see what he came with here. The number 9. And the number 9 has some flowers in the back. Alrighty. Firefighter Nico. Let's see what we got next. Okay, we got the Trolls surprise egg here. It says 4 surprises inside, and look, it even has troll hair on the top, which I think is so cute. All right, let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so it looks like one of the surprises is the hair. It is actually a hair tie that you can use. Wow, isn't that cute? Okay, what else do we got inside here? Oh, so we got a keychain of Poppy, and she's holding a mic. This thing is so squishy. Look at it. That's awesome. And then it looks like we have a slap-on bracelet. And it has a lot of the troll characters. Do you recognize who that is right there? Yes, that's right. That's Branch. All right, and it says Trolls World. Okay, let's see what we got inside the Minnie Mouse egg. Look at all the pretty characters that we can collect. And look at that. Isn't that the cutest egg? The bright hot pink bow inside. I really hope I get Minnie. Oh, we got her cat. Look at that kitty cat, so precious. Oh, look, and and she has a little yarn ball. Meow, meow, meow. Blue's Clue. Blue's Clue. Blue's Clue needs to be very, very popular. He's such a cute dog, solving mysteries with his owner. Let's see what we got inside. Oh, another awesome surprises. Look, Blue's Clue came with a button. He also came with some stickers. He came with a bracelet. And a necklace. And a keychain. Squishy, squishy keychain. And look at that. When you push it in, it comes back. That's awesome. Okay, which one should we do next? Let's do Simba. Hey, Savenya, Garishua, Simba, Simba, Simba. All right, Simba, what do you got inside of your ball? Ooh. Harry Potter collectible. I can't wait to open this one. It's Harry Potter himself, and he is on his flying broom. Wow, look at his glasses, so cute, and I love his hair. Wowzers. Yep, he is on his broom, and this is the little paper that came with it. And these are all the little awesome characters that you can collect. I'm off to fight evil. Definitely going to be getting more of those. I want to collect his whole crew. Okay, let's open Lorax. Lorax, the guardian of the trees. These are my kids' favorite cartoon, Lorax. Okay, Mr. Lorax, let's see what you got in your ball. Wow, what a lovely, lovely surprise. Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol! Okay, let's see what's inside Paw Patrol. Woohoo! What a lovely surprise. Mr. Humdinger, the mayor. Woo! Look at that stand that he comes on. That's awesome. It even rolls. Making sure he's making sure that it's safe around his town. Go, Mr. Humdinger. Oh, cool. All right, here we go. Monsters Inc. Anybody know who this is? Mike Wazowski. Mike Wazowski. Alrighty, I am so excited to see what's inside of his egg. Wow, we got Mickey Mouse. Yes. And Pluto. Woohoo! Look, they're in their car, cruising. Alright, look at that. Mickey Mouse. Okay, and then we got some Mickey Mouse stickers. Okay, awesome. Let's open up Baby Shark. Let's open up Baby Shark next. Baby Shark, doo, 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 doo. Baby Shark, doo, 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 doo. Okay, Baby Shark. Wow. Look at that. Bowser from Mario. I remember playing this game. He was always the hardest to beat at the end. Just guarding that castle. Okay, let's open up Pixar egg. We don't know which one it's gonna be. Could be any of those characters. All right. Wow, we got little monsters in here. We got the alien. 2 aliens. It is the Pixar remix. Okay, who do we got here? Sully and Anger. I'm mad. Let's take them out of their plastic bags so we can see them up close. Look at Mr. Anger. He has flame for hair. He's got a bow tie. Oop, and look, he even stands up. Awesome. And Sully. Let's see Sully. Big lovable guy. Wow, Sully. Look at his hair and those purple dots. Beautiful. Okay. Awesome so far. Okay, this is a LOL surprise doll. All-Star Sports surprise. Let's see what we got inside. First thing, we got ice plus time. Wow, look at that. Peek into that. Crack her open. Okay. See what we got in here. An LOL tag. Oh, there she is. Wow, look at her hair. So peachy and glittery. And she's got a little teal nappy, and she has some silver stockings on. Okay, let's see what else she came with. All right, looks like a lancet. Okay. Ooh, her outfit. Ooh, she's gonna be so dolled up in that. Ooh, she got her little skate shoes. Oh, she's a skater. Look at that. Her bouquet of flowers. Looks like a sweater, maybe. And her bottle. Okay, let's put her together. All right, we got her all together now. Okay, here she is. She has her bouquet. She has her bottle. She's got her ice skates on. She is ready. She is ready for whatever. She's ready to go ice skating. She's ready for a wedding. Look at her. And there she is on the paper. Ice skater. Wow, so cute. Let's put her right there. And this is the little lancet that came. Just clip that on right there, I think. There you go. Into these big eggs. All right, here we go. So we got Frozen here. Elsa. Ooh. Wow, another Paw Patrol. We got Paw Patrol and we got Captain Hook. Rawr, matey, where's my treasure? Where's my treasure? And Paw Patrol. Let's see who we got this time. Got Zuma in his cute orange outfit. Wow, Zumba. Looks like he could just fly into the air. Fly into space. Awesome. Okay, let's do another minion. We got a big minion. Ooh, we got Care Bear. Look at her tummy. She has a rainbow on her tummy. Oh, she is so sweet looking. Bottom it says Care Bear. Oh, and there on the bottom it says Care Bear. And then we have the mom Helen from The Incredibles. She's so brave. She's fighting crime and taking care of her kids at the same time. You go, Helen. Go, Helen. Go, Helen. Go. Go, Helen. Go, Helen. Go. Okay. Let's do... We got 4 eggs left. Alrighty. Let's do SpongeBob. Ooh. So in SpongeBob we found Raya, the last dragon, and she came with some stickers, other princess stickers. Let's open up Raya and see what's inside. Wow. Look at that. It's like a lotus flower. Yee. This is Sisu Dragon in human form. And she has a pop-on coat. I like her without the coat though. Wow, so pretty. And look at that hair. So gorgeous. She looks so sweet. That's awesome. What a surprise. And then she came with this stand here. So you see there's a little hole in her foot. And you could put her on the stand. Okay. She is. And then, bow. Surprise. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! It's me, Sisu Dragon. Okay. Three more surprise eggs. Let's open up Buzz Lightyear. See what's inside. Buzz! It's Goofy! Hello guys, hello. I got my fancy suit on. And he came with some stickers. Okay. And Blue's Clue. Blue's Clue. Alrighty, we got Mulan. Let's open up Mulan and see what's inside of her egg. Okay, we got Elf Pet Minis and Jake the Pirate. Hello, mateys. Okay, let's open up this. The Elf on the Shelf. Elf Pets Minis. Oops. Aww. Look at that little sweet character. Hee hee. This is Charity Cheer-a-Lot. Charity Cheer-a-Lot. She's so happy looking. Right in time for Christmas. We do need more cheer in the world. Alright, last egg. Gummy bears. My son's favorite. Let's see what the gummy bears has inside his. Oh, another surprise inside. Another box inside. It is a Disney princess, Secret Styles. And she came also with some princess stickers. So awesome and metallic. Okay, I'll put those aside for later to play with. Okay, let's see what's inside. I'm getting excited. I can already see through the paper. Wow! Look at that. Tiana from The Princess and the Frog. And she is in her ballroom outfit. Sha-da-da-dee, sha-da-da-da, la-da-da-dee. I just wanted to show you all the wonderful surprise toys we got again. I think that was an awesome opening. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe and like it, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.